Speaking Springboro, 117 Grecian Terrace, cross streets of Springcrest Boulevard, structure fire, station 18, ladder 18, tower 79, engine 18-1, engine 85, engine 36, engine 69, 57 for RIT, and medic 4 from the city of Reading, covering station 650, and Burke's Fire Ops 1. Thank you, Springboro, 117 Grecian Terrace, cross streets of Springcrest Boulevard, structure fire. Report to be an odor of something burning and also hazing. Incident operations will be on Burke's Fire Ops 1 after response 1933.